Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's weird not having a colorful look on. My past few videos have been really bright and colorful looks. I've been having so much fun and feeling so inspired creating those bright, colorful looks. But I do get that some people don't really like colorful looks and they're not as wearable as a nice neutral look for some people. So I decided that I really wanted to create something a little bit more toned down and soft and neutral. So this is the look that I created, and I haven't done a halo eye in a hot minute. So I really wanted to bring back the halo looks because I love doing halo looks. And if you scroll down on my videos throughout my channel, there are so many because those used to be my favorite looks to create. And I'm gonna do a really bright one soon because I really want to do another bright look and incorporate the whole halo technique. So this is the look that I created, and I tried out this new collection from MAC, and when I tell you that this is the most beautiful packaging I have ever seen in a collection, you better believe me. If you know me, you know why I'm obsessed with this collection. Little background about me, I am obsessed with marble and rose gold. Honestly, anything marble and rose gold, like my dream is to have my entire house be marble and rose gold. And if I ever created a collection, when I create a collection, I want it to be all marble and rose gold. That just like, I feel like that's so me. And I'm gonna show you the collection and some of the products that I chose out from this MAC Electric Wonder collection to try out and create this entire look, even face, lips, and eyes. So the first, oh my God, are you ready? Are you ready? Look at that packaging. Let's just take a moment of silence for how beautiful it is. That's just how beautiful it is. But honestly, like, jokes aside, it is so stunning. I love the pink and white and then that gold marbling. It's amazing, so pretty. And then this is the Ignite Wonder face palette. So it is a palette of 6 different highlighters. They can be like blush toppers, bronzers, for all different skin tones as well. And then we have one of the eyeshadow palettes. So this is the warmer shadow palette, and this is in the shade, this is in Natural Vice. So it is much warmer. I was really excited to use this because there's like that pops of golds and peaches and warm shadows, and I really wanted to do something a little bit lighter and toned down. So this palette was perfect for it. And then I've never tried any of the MAC Next to Nothing bronzing powder, so I was really excited to try this one out. So this is in the shade Canyon Dreamin'. It is so pretty, so that is what I have on. I tried that out, and then I tried out 2 different lip products from this collection as well. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this entire look using the MAC Cosmetics Electric Wonder collection, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the MAC Cosmetics Natural Vice eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going into is the Valley of the Goddess. First, going in with my E38 Diffuse Crease Brush by Sigma, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, plus I'm going to bring the shadow back at the end to help blend everything out. I always like starting off with a shadow that's a few shades darker than my skin tone. That really just helps make the other shadow that I apply through my crease nice and blendable, and it kind of gives it more dimension by layering different shades underneath. I'm now going into Magmatique. Now with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm first tapping this on this outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to start doing really small little circles using a really light hand, bringing that shadow through the crease all the way into this inner corner. And then I'm going to pop that right on this inner part of my lid, leaving the center empty and free of any shadow. And then blend that through the crease again. The shadow is so pretty. It has a really pretty undertone to it, and it blends really, really well. And then this is where I bring back that very first shadow that I applied as my transition. So this is Valley of the Goddess, and I'm applying that at the very high point of my crease to help blend this shadow out. Now before I finish off the top of my lid, I want to do my lower lash line. So first going in with the Valley of the Goddess on my E54 medium sweeper brush. And then going in with Magmatique again on that same brush and just buffing this along my lash line and smoking it out. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Desert Rosemance. So I'm first picking up this shadow on my finger, and I'm going to apply that right in the center. I'm kind of going to do like a concoction of different shadows on my lid. I know that's super extra, but when I first applied this, I felt like it just wasn't, I don't know, I just felt like something was missing. So first I'm applying this. I'm now going into Sun Tweaked, and then again with my finger just tapping that over, and I feel like it just added a nice little bit of brightness to the center of the lid. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I used to buff through my crease and just kind of tap the edges to help blend it all out together. And then right here through the crease. Now going into Diamond Butterfly. And then because I really just wanted to basically try all the shimmery shades in here, so I'm picking up this shadow and just lightly tapping that over just to add a little bit of sparkle. Nothing too intense. It's just going to really nicely catch the light. And then with that same shadow, just applying that right on my inner corner. Again, it's just going to add a nice little bit of sparkle. The shadow seems like it's really intense when you swatch it, but it's not really that intense when I apply it on. I feel like maybe if I do have a base, like a stickier base underneath, it would apply much better. But I kind of don't mind it. I kind of like that sheen and sparkle effect to it. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these MAC Cosmetics lashes in number 76. And that's the eye look done. So the eyes are done, but I'm looking really flat right now. I have no dimension to my face at all. All I have on is my foundation, concealer, and powder. So I really want to try out the other products in this collection. So we have the Next to Nothing bronzer right here, which the packaging, I still cannot get over how beautiful it is. And then we have the Ignite Wonder face palette. So I'm going to try both of these on. And first, let's go in with the bronzer. So this is in the shade Canyon Dreaming. Next to Nothing bronzing powder. It is so beautiful. It looks really pretty. I hope it's not going to be too warm for me, but I'm going to try it out. I'm going to apply this on my cheeks using my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. That looks so good. Wow, that blended out so nicely. And the color seems really perfect. It feels like it's not too cool, not too warm. I really like it, and it blended out amazing. What do we think? How does it look? Does the shade look right? I'm liking it so far. Okay, so now for blush. I was thinking of doing a blush, if I could open it, a blush from this palette. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. So that is the face palette. So there's a bunch of like highlighting shades. And I think I would use these more as like blush toppers. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to apply a matte blush on and then apply that as like a blush topper. So I'm going to go into this Tarte blush in Party. There's 3 A's in there. So that's what I'm going to use on my cheeks, and I'm going to apply that with my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. Now as my blush topper, I think I'm going to use this shade. It looks like a really nice peachy golden shade. So this is Seven Wonders. So I'm just going to use it on that same brush that I used to apply my blush. And then for my highlight, I'm going to mix these 2 shades right here. So this is Wonder Who and then Some Kind of Wonderful. And I'm going to apply that on the high points of my cheeks using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. Okay, so now it's time to do my lips, and obviously I'm going to try out a few products from the collection. So I'm first going to line my lips, and I'm going to use this MAC lip pencil in Boldly Bare. And then to fill in my lips, I'm going to try out this lipstick from the same collection from MAC, and it is the Satin Lipstick, so it has a satin finish, and it's called Feeling Sentimental. I kept saying sentimental. Sentimental. This lip combination is so pretty, and it feels so comfortable on my lips. I expected it to be a little bit more warm and not as pink. I thought it would be a little bit more peachy, so I thought it would go better with the look, but we're just gonna work with it. So I'm not really a lip gloss kind of girl, but I really wanted to try this one out when I saw it in the collection. It is so beautiful. So this is the MAC lip gloss in Marble Faun, and look at that. It is so beautiful. It's just dreamy and sparkly, and I cannot wait to try it on. So I'm going to try first like starting off by tapping it in the center of my lips and see how that goes. Okay, that just made my lips look so nice and juicy and plump. That is so pretty. And that's it. There's a completed look of my neutral brown halo smoky eye using the MAC Cosmetics Electric Wonder collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. So let me give you a rundown of the products real quick. So the bronzing powder, which is the Next to Nothing bronzing powder, is so beautiful. I actually love the shade, the finish, everything. It blended so well. It went on amazing. The lip products I love as well. The lip gloss isn't even that sticky. Like, it doesn't feel like I have like a heavy lip gloss on. I don't know. I never really wear lip glosses, so I don't really like the feeling in general, but I have been really getting into more like hydrating lip products. So like I wear lipsticks a lot now more often, and these in combination both feel amazing. It is a little bit annoying to me that my eyes are much warmer than my lips are, but we're just gonna look past that. And then the face palette I really like as well. The highlighters are really pretty. I mean, look, they look really pretty, and you can obviously mix and match and combine a bunch of the different shades together. I love blush toppers, so I'm really excited to keep playing around with these because I feel like it didn't really do much. Maybe I needed to be a little bit more heavy-handed with it, but I'm really liking the palette as well. And then the eyeshadow palette, the shades in here are so beautiful. My only issue is with the shimmers right here. I expected them to be much more opaque and intense. Maybe if I do try it with a sticky base underneath or like a concealer or eyeshadow primer, it'll work better. But the matte shades are stunning, so beautiful, so I cannot wait to keep playing around with this palette. And then the second palette, I forgot the name of it, but there's another eyeshadow palette in this collection that has more of like blues and cooler tones and silvers, so I'm excited to try that out. And if you guys want to see me use that palette, then let me know down in the comments below, and I definitely will. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also lists of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier, and you can shop my brush set down below. Click the link, and it'll get you right to that site. So I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!